Apple just completely changed the game, and the tech world is in absolute shock. If you're planning to buy a new phone, tablet, or laptop this year, you need to pause right now and put your wallet away. The March 2026 Apple event is officially here, but Apple completely ripped up their usual playbook. Instead of a massive and boring 2-hour live stream, they did something crazy. They're dropping secret, unannounced press releases. They're holding exclusive closed-door media events across the globe in places like New York, London, and Shanghai. They completely bypassed a public video broadcast. We have scoured the globe, translating foreign reports and tracking the most reliable insiders to bring you the exact facts. You are about to hear the biggest leaks about the brand new iPhone 17e, the insanely powerful M4 iPad Air, and a budget MacBook that nobody saw coming. The biggest shockwave of the week is the brand new iPhone 17e. For years, people have begged for a cheaper iPhone that actually feels modern. Apple finally built a budget phone that does not feel like a compromise. Reports confirm that the iPhone 17e starts at a shockingly low $599. But this time, Apple doubled the base storage to a massive 256 gigabytes. That is unheard of for a starting price this low. They also finally brought MagSafe to their budget lineup. This means wireless charging and premium magnetic accessories are now fully supported. Top Apple analysts confirm that the iPhone 17e packs 8 gigabytes of RAM. This is specifically to handle all the heavy lifting for Apple Intelligence. Having that much memory means this budget phone will run advanced AI tasks smoothly without lagging. The competition is already sweating. Rival brands are rushing to release phones with massive 108-megapixel cameras just to challenge this new, affordable Apple device. But Apple's ecosystem is hard to beat. Hands-on photos from secretive warehouses show off a stunning new pink color for the 17e and its sleek aluminum frame. This phone is a clear winner. It features an A19 Bionic custom chip, a custom 5G modem, and a price tag that will break the market. If you thought the iPhone was crazy, wait until you hear about Apple's new laptop. We are officially looking at the cheapest MacBook in history. Financial outlets report that Apple accidentally leaked the name MacBook Neo in an EU regulatory document just hours before the launch. Massive reports detail the internal code. This laptop ditches the traditional Mac M series chips. Instead, it runs on the A18 Pro chip straight from the iPhone 16 Pro. This is a highly calculated strike against cheap Windows laptops. Putting a phone chip in a laptop might sound weird, but it means extreme power efficiency. Internally, Apple calls this MacBook an incredible value aimed directly at destroying the Chromebook market. Press insiders have shared sneak peeks, hyping up the MacBook Neo reveal right before the doors opened in New York. It comes in vibrant colors like citrus and indigo. It features a gorgeous 13-inch Liquid Retina display, and it drops the price down to an unbelievable $599. This is the ultimate budget king. It has a fanless, silent, cooling design, meaning it will never sound like an airplane taking off. It also features dual USB-C ports and an easy 16 hours of all-day battery life. Apple did not stop there. They also completely overpower the middle of their tablet lineup. The new iPad Air is officially running on the M4 chip. This gives it literal desktop-class power in a razor-thin body. Apple not only upgraded the chip, but they also boosted the memory to a massive 12 gigabytes of RAM. This means you can run multiple heavy apps at the exact same time without any crashing. They added a new custom chip for blazing fast Wi-Fi 7. Top leakers confirm the M4 iPad Air also gets a brand new custom modem for 5G models. This boosts your download speeds while using 30% less power. If you're worried about battery life with all that raw power, do not stress. The 11-inch model packs a huge 7,600 mAh battery. The 13-inch model houses a massive 9,700 mAh battery. Both support 30-watt wired fast charging. This makes it the absolute perfect machine for students, video editors, and digital artists. You get pro-level performance without paying the heavy iPad Pro tax. It also features center stage lenses and fully supports the new Apple Pencil Pro. In my absolute honest opinion, this new Apple lineup is the most consumer-friendly release we have seen in a decade. The M4 iPad Air is easily my top pick out of the bunch. Getting a ridiculously fast M4 chip and 12 gigabytes of RAM starting at just $599 is an absolute steal for creators. The iPhone 17e and MacBook Neo prove that Apple is finally taking the budget market seriously. They are delivering massive, unbeatable value without sacrificing the premium feel we always expect from them. If you're holding on to older tech, right now is the perfect time to pull the trigger and upgrade. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.